Good morning students, welcome to online teaching. This is chapter 3rd and I am par across 3 continents. Now this is module 5. In 4th module we discuss about the birth of the provinces. Now sources of entertainment. You know these are very important. Any society, any empire, any country, whatever they are, everybody wants entertainment, some relaxation, some leisure time to spend, to make them relaxed, to make them happy. In the same manner, some of the games were there, some of the, you may say, dramas or other things that were found, some of the, you may say, very dangerous games also, some also entertaining games that were also found. Now first was the Colosseum. You say most important part in Italy. You have seen that a arena, a stadium has been built, and what was that? It was built in 79 BCE, and what was in that? There was a battle between the warriors and the beast. Warriors and the beast means the wild animals, because warriors, you may say, indirectly the fight between the men and the animal, we may say directly. Okay, so this was an important part because vast empire was there, powerful rulers were there, other people were also there. So for their enjoyment or to show their supremacy, to show their power, that we are most powerful, so there was a, you may say, fight between these. You can see in the Spain also what is there, that the bull fighting is there. The bull, they are chasing the human beings, and now this is their national game also. Okay, so Colosseum, a huge and nearly 60,000 people that can assemble there. 60,000 people can assemble there. They can watch, they can see, and they can entertain themselves. Okay, now next is amphitheater. This is for the military exercise, we may say. What was in that military exercise? To make them ready, to make them punctual, to make them attentive or vigilant during the war. So these activities that were the part, the drilling of the army, we may say. They were, you may say, have these such type of the theaters, amphitheaters, arenas were there, where the bathing, where the swimming, we may say, and where the drilling, the fencing means जो तलवारबाजी होती है या और दूसरी चीजें अपने आप को रिलैक्स करने के लिए, अपने आप को शो करने के लिए. ओके, एंड इवन इन अर्बन सेंटर्स some shows were there, some shows. It means theaters, something like that, theaters or dramas that were found there. Theaters that were found there. That were the most important part. So these were some of the urban centers were there, where the people or others, they can entertain themselves, they can exercise, they can relax. It means these were some, even public bathing was also there, means the swimming pool like that, that was also found. But you know that in Roman civilization, water, that was a holy thing for them. Yeah, they give importance to the water much. They do not want that it should be wasted, it should be made publicly. That was most important part. Okay, now next is the 3rd century crisis. The 3rd century crisis. What was that? In 1st and 2nd century, 1st and 2nd century, there were no problem. Smooth running of governance, administration, no civil war, no agitation, no revolt, everything was smooth running. There was no problem because good rulers were there. They were able to control the empire, and even the common civilians people, they were also supporting them. Okay, now the 3rd century crisis comes because we had discussed that Iran and Roman, They were the competitors from the beginning. But Iranians, they were not able to expand so much as the Roman Empire. Most important part, Roman, as they spread a lot, they annexed a lot of territories, but Iran always in a hunt to effect Roman, but that was not somehow possible. But in the 3rd century, that Iranians that were able to effect, okay, what was that? Iranians, here the dynasty was Sassanians. Sassanians that were found, they were able to control Antioch. Antioch we have discussed, a vast area near the Mediterranean Sea, okay. Now another was there, that some of the German tribe were there. They were Alemanni, the Franks and the Goths. What was that? These were the tribals. The Roman Empire, they may say that they are the barbarians, uncivilized people. They effected, and this was the beginning of 3rd century crisis due to these Iranians and Germans.